In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D animation using your phone the easiest way. So, as I promised last Friday, I said that I'll give you a tutorial on how to edit using Prisma 3D. So if you have not yet downloaded Prisma 3D animation app, kindly download it and we dive into this tutorial. So as you can see, this is the interface for Prisma 3D. We have projects, we have a plus sign and the update. So we are going to click on the plus sign and we shall see this interface. If you look up, you will see that we have animation and modeling. So it means that you must first learn how to model the character which you are going to animate and then start animating. But before we go on animation, let us first learn how to model. So this is the interface for modeling our character. So first of all, I will talk about my left. So as you can see on the left, we have a tube, and when I click on this tube, it will give me a lot of other characters or objects to use. I have a tube, I have a sphere, I have a cylinder, I have a plane and a pyramid. So for this tutorial, I will choose a tube for this tutorial. So as you can see, I have a tube and the green axis is the Y axis, the blue axis is the X axis, then the red axis is the Z axis. So by tapping on this, I can be able to move this tube in any position that I want by tapping on this. And what is very nice about this is that when I remove it, you see there are green lines which remain, the red, green and the blue. That means this is the center of the object, right? So when we press on these two lines, it means we can remove this character. When we press on this circle thing, means that we can rotate this character the way we want. When we click on this, it means we can remodel, reduce the size. You can reduce the size of the object and increase it. So that's how we do it. So by clicking on this object, you see here there is what we call material. So you can change the color of the object by pressing on the color, and you can choose any color of your object. So for me, I like green, so I will choose that. Texture, for the case of texture, you can upload any texture that you want. Reflection, you can add any reflection on your image and make it look shiny. As you can see, I've put the reflection on my object. It looks shiny like a glass. I can make it not look shiny as such. Then there is transparency. I can make this object more transparent or I make it less transparent. So for me, I like the transparency to be okay. So that is all about the material. Then we have transformation. You can transform. This one is more on animation, but we can leave that transformation. I'll be showing you transformation in the future tutorials. So we have 4 tubes down. Every tube gives us a different action to make. So if I click on this one and I click on the line, so you can see I can be able to move the line normally. But if I click on the second one and I click on the side, it means I've activated that side and I can move it the way I want, right? So you click on any side, you can move it the way you want, right? This is modeling. Just if I click on this one with the line, it means I can choose the line and then move that line the way that I want, right? If I choose this, it means I can choose the edge and move it the way I want. So this is how modeling becomes very easy. Then I can undo and redo from up here. So I will undo whatever I have done. So that's how modeling is. So if we go on this corner, we have home, save, render. So 3D import, 3D export. So there is nothing much there, but I would like to talk more about render when we go to animation, right? So don't forget that this is 2.1.1 version and you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So if you have not yet subscribed to HT Animation Tutorial, you can easily subscribe, like, share this video, as well comment thanks. So you can ask for help, but you don't need any help after watching this tutorial. So I'll click into animation. We have finished how to model our characters, and I would like to tell you that you can add as many characters as you want. So you can add a pyramid, you can add, and you can remodel them the way you want. If you want to make them of a different color, it's very easy like that. So let us dive into animation. But before we go into animation, I would like to first talk about the text. So you press on a tube and press on text, then you can add your text here, and I can say it's Prisma 3D, Prisma 3D, and I press OK. You see that my text is there. It is Prisma 3D, and this text is also in Prisma 3D. It is in 3D format, as you can see, right? So that's how we add a text. Now we are going to animation, but I would like to undo all these. I'm sorry, and we go into animation. So to animate, you'll just click on animation and you'll see this interface. So animation is very easy on Prisma 3D. What you do, click on the object that you want to animate, then lock by clicking on this timer, then move the object and then lock again. It's very easy like that. Lock, then after, first way is tap on the object, lock, move the object and lock again. So that's how we move the object. It's very easy, just like that. And by making several animations, you can continue. Move the object again and lock. Move the object again and lock. And that's how we can animate these characters. Easy like that. lock, do this, and lock. It's very easy like that to animate. So if you have a character, it means that you can do this several times and find out that you have an action. So if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, as well comment thanks. I will be giving you more tips on how to animate on Prisma 3D